Hi, I have a problem with my fridge. The freezer up here is cold, and down here in the fridge it is warm. If you can hear, the motor is running. Okay, I open it up, put my hand inside, and it is warm. And not to let the get out. Well, it hasn't been doing this for too long, but maybe a day. So now I'll open up the freezer, and you can see this is still frozen. See? So it is in any ice here, just to show that it is frozen. It's an ice pack. See it? So it is cold up here. There is a thermometer in here. And I'll show you. I'll bring it there. Well, but you can't see that the light's off. So I'll bring it back. I'll close it up. Now I'll open the freezer and go inside and check the thermometer. You can see the thermometer reads. I'll have to look at it. It reads a little bit above minus 20 degrees, between 15 and minus 20 degrees Celsius. And for those in the States, well, I can't read what it says. It reads about 0 degrees Fahrenheit for those of you in the States. And we'll put the thermometer back in and close the door up, because you never leave the door open to a freezer or a fridge. Now I'll go down to the fridge and I'll show you. There's the thermometer in the fridge. And see, it is very high in temperature. Looks like it's almost 15 to 20 degrees Celsius above. If people in Canada and the States are watching, we do Celsius. You probably know that already though. So that's about over 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the door back up. I would appreciate anybody's help who is viewing this as to their opinion as to what might be wrong. I don't want to call the repairman. It might be simple. I don't know. But leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.